Hello everyone, my name is Alec Leray. I am the CEO and founder of Money Simple, a firm designed to help you learn how to trade options. I'd like to start by telling you a little story. I first got involved in the stock market like anybody else would. I bought and held stocks for the long term. The reason I switched to options is very simple. I started looking at charts and I realized that over a long period of time, the stocks would go up and down and up and down and up and down. And eventually, unless I was getting dividend payments, I had to sell my stock or I wasn't making any money. I was basically resting my money in these companies. Let's take a look at a few companies to understand what I'm talking about. You can see here over 1 year, over 5 years. So if we look at the 2018, it's at 140. If we look at 2019, just before that drop, it was at 140. If we look at 2020, it was at 140. So that's 18, 19, 20. That's 3 years that your stock has gone up and down and up and down. And unless it's paying you dividends, it's basically done nothing. You only make money when you sell. You have to buy low and sell high. That's the only way you make money with stocks unless you're holding dividends. Let's look at another one. So let's look at Alibaba, which is a very well-known stock. Lots of people buy and hold this stock. So we look at Alibaba and let's look at 5 years again. We see the same thing. We see 2018, it hit 200. Again in 2019, it hit 200. Again in 2020, it hit 200. So for these 3 years, your stock has gone up and down and up and down and maybe has paid you a bit of dividends. But you need to realize that to get paid significant dividends, you really need to hold a lot of stock, which means you're really tying up significant capital in these companies. Is it really worth it? Now that you see a bit of what I'm talking about, I'd like to tell you a bit about options. Options can be incredibly lucrative. You don't have to park your money in any companies and you can maintain almost total control of your positions. In my Introduction to Options course, I will teach you the basic fundamental knowledge of options trading. I'm going to walk you through how to open up a TD Thinkorswim paper trading account so you can begin practicing paper trades alongside the real market. Once you've mastered the introduction to options, or if you're already well versed in options and are looking for some strategies to hone your skills, take my Master Cashflow class. In this course, I'll teach you the secrets of how I obtain over 90% win rates with my trades. I'll teach you how to make thousands per week in passive cash flow, and I'll even teach you how to correct or adjust any trades that may go against you. With TD Thinkorswim, you'll start with a $200,000 paper trading account. I'll show you exactly how I made $30,000 in not even 2 months with the techniques that I'm about to teach you. Furthermore, you can follow along my paper trading account where I update daily trades and I show you exactly the trades that I'm doing to make $30,000 in under 2 months. For those that still want a little bit of extra help, we do offer tutoring and also a private membership. Finally, if you really want to take it serious and you're ready to jump into the market, you can have me as your personal private mentor. You'll be connected with my private cell phone number, personal email, and as many Zoom meetings as you need until you get your full money back guaranteed. That's right, you heard it. I will be your personal mentor until you get all your money back guaranteed. You can't lose with this offer. So jump in with me, let's get into options and let's get rid of that silly 9 to 5. It's time to start living the life you deserve.